Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to cook the Tibetan Numtrak Pali or Puli. So it's very simple. Uh, just put some baking soda into the flour and just roll the bread like that. And it's optional, you can make it full or not. It's up to you. So once you're ready, then you just put it into the hot oil and cook it for like almost 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to cook it to 1 to 2 minutes. So depending on your oil heat. After that, I'm gonna upside down. So I'm going to cook for the another part. So almost done. Okay. Yeah, that's be it. So next time I'm going to show you guys detail how to cook, how to preparation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you next time.